Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow app making changes or accessing speech recognition on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Now we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next we go down and tap on Speech Recognition. Now enter the screen time passcode. Then in here you could choose either allow changes or don't allow changes. Select one of the options. And finally you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.